We are going to discuss about the today's editorial which is given in the Hindu newspaper. Like today's editorial heading was contraction slows. Here the meaning of contraction was to declare. So the declaration of some of the statements or some of the rules by the government, like even some of the declaration was somewhat decreased. Like thus like they were postponing the declaration time as lockdown restrictions ease, the economy sees the first signs of recovery. Like in this after this lockdown, like there were many recoveries, right, in this particular things. So and in the latest data on output at the 8 crore industries point to tentative signs that the pandemic spurred economic contraction may have begun to the bottom. So here like 8 crore industries means like they were tentative means here the meaning of tentative means like unsettled or any other like which is not unfixed. So some of the signs were unfixed, like in this pandemic time also, like there were somewhat risks in this thing, but even they also should even most concentrate on this type of things, which will help the people to recovery. So even the government also should provide some of the infrastructures or some of the goods to the people who needs it very much. And Commerce Ministry provisional figures show that while overall production and the infrastructure industries extended their year-on-year decline to the fourth straight month in June, shrinking 15%. The pace, which activity contracted slow for a second consecutive month, following 8th April precipitous 37% plunge. So here the meaning of like the meaning of this one is like in like there were some more decreases in some of the production or some of the recovery rates, in some of the recovery rates. So like almost it was decreased up to 15% was decreased. So it was somewhat like sorrowful for the people, like because of the lack of infrastructure which is provided by the government to the people. Like before it used to be the 37%, but now it came to 15%. So it obviously sad for the people who doesn't want to get it. And the sector-wise performance also affirms that the gradual reopening since June appears to have helped tease back some smattering of demand in the economy. Like even in June, like they all had a meeting about this infrastructures provided by the government to the people. So even like they also like even they also want they were much they were also much interested to give the people their best, but due to some financial situations also they may not even give to the people, right? So even so the government is trying their best to give the people, and they also want to discuss about the production of infrastructures to the people. On seven industries that extended their contractions, only coal shrank at faster pace, minus 15.5% than in May, when production has declined 14%. So like even in seven industries before it, so in the even like there was also much implement in like we'll say, right, like in the coal industries, in 15, like there was 15.5% better. So in that time, like it was somewhat good for the people who like even that like even like it like even they also want what we'll say, like minus 15.5%, it was good, but now it was not that much good. So I obviously say like it was good. So even it also had and even here like even there was some more decrease in the production sector. And before it, even though it was so like in the month of June, like in the May also, like even the percentage was 28%, but now it like 21.3%. But even due to some, even though there were less infrastructure provided to the government, like from government to the people, even though they had maximum, they had increased their production to 28%. So it was like good, right? They had improved their facilities among them. And with personal modes of mobility preferred given the fear of infection, petro product consumption grow 11% month on June in month in June. So even like even some of the, even in the mobility, like even our mobility means moving from one place to other, right? So here like even here also, like even 11% was increased, like it was increased in the it was increased here for the like what we'll say, right, even like in the petrol bunks, or like in the for the petrol fuels also, like it was much increased, right. But these all things, even like most of the like the percentage of production of infrastructure was most of the time increased in the petrol products, in some mobiles or some automobile facilities like that. Again, signaling uptick in demand from some manufacturing clusters, including in west and northern India. So here in the like even now, even you know, right, like there will be so much differentiation between some of the products, right. Like some products will be more with the high cost, and some products will not be like with high cost. So yeah, there will be difference between some products, right. So that was being given in the government, in the like even most of the people were they were demanding for some of the manufacturers in northern, south, in western India. Like even sometimes in that northern western India, like so much times the infrastructures may not be provided. But now it is very important to provide each and every infrastructure to the people who need it. Even we know that now in this lockdown, current bills were very high, and the electricity was also more used, right. Like everyone will sit in home, and some will use some fans. Like one will sit in one room, as some will have work from home, or some will read the books, or some mothers will be in the kitchen or hall. So like in every room, the fans and the lights will be roaming. So the most of the electricity also increased due to this lockdown. And even so taking it an advantage, or due to any financial problem also, the government increased so much electricity rates, like they increased the unit power prices, right. And again, signaling upstick in the demand from some manufactured clustering, included in western and northern India. Among the other sectors, while steel production continued to tumble, output shrank by more than a third from June 2009. So, like from June 2009, the steel production was somewhat increased due to some more usage of steel. Like they were somewhat implement, right. Plastic is better than, like plastic is not better than anything. So they all use it. They all went against the plastic in one moment. So everyone used to buy the steel in that time. So even from last year June, there was more increase in the steel production. And cement appeared to have put the worst behind as urban construction and projects under the rural job guarantee schemes per demand. So here, urban construction projects were also like now those all were stopped, right, due to some disturbances. They all were stopped. And even this also this and this all rural guarantee of scheme is all were under the control of government, right, because every land belongs to government. So it is very important to be noticed that like everyone should have permission of government before constructing any houses or any others. So all the construction works all were in the control of the government. And so cement output fell 6.9 as sharp decrease in the pace of decline in the May 21st construction. Like cement is output first fall out because nowadays they were not more constructions, right? So no one came friend to buy cement. So most of the people doesn't have that much need with the cement, right. So most of the people doesn't need it to buy it. If we buy it out also, but after using for using in the further, people like that much quality doesn't be in cement, right. So everyone stopped buying. So even the rate put like even the output of the cement would also fallen down. And like even so here the production of steel also decreased. And even as well as with the steel, even cement production also decreased due to lack of construction of any houses in this lockdown or in this pandemic time. So no one was were ready to give risk their self for these all constructions or for these all any enjoyments. Fertilizers, that only industry to post growth for a second straight month, however, saw the expansion east to 4.2 from 7.5 in May. Yeah, like even now there were no one but doesn't go to jobs, so all will sit in homes, and like most of the people will think to prefer food. But for the natural growing of food, like it may take so many months, so much there will be somewhat delay of production of food. So to speed up the production of food, so many of the people used fertilizers. Like before, it was the usage of fertilizers was 4.2%, but now the usage of fertilizers was 7.5% in May. So still with monsoon activity above normal so far this year, Kharif sowing was almost 14.14% as on July 31. They like at the same time in 2019. So in the Kharif season, it was grown more. Like it was 14% more, because most of the production should be given where most of the production products were important in Kharif season only. So the production in Kharif season was somewhat more than before. By the IMD forecasting above average rainfall in August and September as well, the outlook for the agriculture reliant rural economy is far more promising than to other sectors. Like even most of the people give like now they give preference to the agriculture sector, because now the food is very much important thing which we all need to be healthy, or even to eradicate some of the diseases. Even though like we like than before, some of the they were just for rainfall in August and September. So they had discussed about this average rainfall, and they also thinking for the great output in the agriculture sector. To be sure, the economy is still in the fair distance from a sustained turnaround, with other data flying is just to recovery. For one, the significant shortfalls in GST collections point to be difficult, and the center and the state governments are facing in gathering crucial needed revenue. Now, central and state government both are in the crucial point about the growth and the production of this agriculture. So all are trying their best to give for the agriculture and other sectors, and they are also thinking to ensure this all rural economy, and they also promising for other sectors, like not only like they won't even care about the agriculture sector, but they also care for the other sectors. So they were promising each and every sector about their development, and this had already spelled a fiscal deficit at the end of first quarter to 83% of the full year's target. So they had like before this corona was extended, first they thought to bring to this year's output was about to 83%, with the infections curve showing no signs of plateauing, as policy marks have unavailable actions even COVID-19 time without dampening economic movement. So here like due to COVID-19 lead to this pandemic movement, they were not there were no signs about the development, but everyone are thinking to improve the infrastructures which should be provided by the government to each and every people in the society. Thank you.